Ganda.
This is really concerning to us given the high rates of gender-based violence. Kenya will continue to stand with women and girls in Afghanistan. And we are happy to say that there was significant growth of women rights in Afghanistan over the past 20 years, including in government, professional field.
David? Because we seem to have lost our connection there with David Gazashvili. He is the country director of CARE. We're going to try and reestablish our connection to him in a bit. But as we do that, we're going to move on with the rest of the news today. The Philippines' COVID-19 interagency task force expected to give today its recommendation for the quarantine classifications for the rest of August. On Wednesday, Metro Manila's mayor said they will leave the decision on whether or not to extend the lockdown to the IATF. That lockdown is set to expire Friday.
Gunther.
Whatever it is, ang desisyon kung ito'y ECQ, kung ito'y ECQ, ang mapapangako po ng mga alkalde ng Kalakang Maynila ay doon-doon pa nila ang pagbabakuna. Ang contact tracing sa labda, ngayon pa lang, humingi na po kami ng request talaga sa DOLE and of course sa DILG to make sure tuloy-tuloy ang contact tracing and testing. Pinagahanda namin in case tumakas at least 50,000 a week. Siguro ngayon pa lang, nabalaan ko na lahat ang mga ways na makakamigawa ng lockdowns.
The Philippines records over 11,000 new COVID-19 cases Wednesday. 161 more deaths were also reported, raising the total fatality count to 30,623. The health department notes the relatively low number of new cases was due to a lower laboratory output. COVID-19 vaccine manufacturers Moderna and AstraZeneca have suspended accepting vaccine orders through multi-party agreements. That's according to COVID-19 vaccination chief Pagnico Galvez Jr.